Today in the Nulon Garage, we're going to show you the quick and simple way to change the differential fluid at home using some basic hand tools and Nulon's innovative Ezy-Squeeze packaging. Nulon's innovative Ezy-Squeeze packaging allows you to perform fluid changes once reserved for the mechanic at home. The tools you need for this DIY are a jack stands, a drain pan, and a 1/2-inch ratchet or the correct size tool for your fill and drain plugs. Before you get started, always check what fluid requirements your car needs. Check your owner's handbook. Alternatively, you can access a step-by-step instruction for your vehicle at ezysqueeze.com.au. Begin by jacking the rear of the car up onto jack stands. Place the drain pan underneath the diff. Remove the fill plug first. This not only guarantees you have access to fill the diff up again, but allows the diff housing to breathe, making it easier to drain. Undo the drain plug, allowing the fluid to drain into the pan. Inspecting the drain plug as you take it off. Once all the fluid has drained from the diff, it's time to clean the drain plug and reinstall. Now it's time to use Ezy-Squeeze. Simply open the pouch, attach the filler hose, insert it at least 10 millimeters into the fill hole, and start squeezing. It's that easy. Roll the packaging up to get all the fluid out. As you can see, it's quicker, easier, and a lot less mess than using a hand pump and bottle. Repeat the process on a new pouch until the fluid starts running out of the fill point. Replace the fill plug and talk to factory specifications. And there you have it, guys, a quick and easy way to change your fluids at home with less wastage. Better yet, no need for messy pumps. For more information on Nulon Ezy-Squeeze or any other DIY videos, head to ezysqueeze.com.au.